All right, guys, so let's jump into this. What we're going to do at this point is we're just going to finish up the UI for the Pip-Boy, I guess, just by creating this other tab. And then this tab, specifically the inventory tab, most other tabs kind of follow this structure. So you guys can use the same kind of structure to, if you wanted to copy and paste and then modify to do that. That's what we're going to be covering. We're going to be going through the weapons inventory tab. We're going to add some and add a bit of functionality to it. So let's jump in. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to copy the entire, well, before we do this, I'm going to create an inventory link. And then I'm going to set stat to index.html. There we go. And remove that. So I'm going to save this. Now copy this. I'm going to go ahead and create that inv HTML file. And we're just going to replace everything in this file with this. And I'm going to show you guys why, because a lot of the structure is the same and I don't really want to rebuild the entire header. So what we need to do is we need to take this navbar item active, remove it from stat, and add it to inventory. Now let's save it. And what we should be able to do at this point is go to this tab. Actually, I should refresh and go to this tab. And something went terribly wrong. This is not being styled properly, so let's go ahead and fix that. Gotta go ahead and turn quiet mode on. There we go. All right. So let me have a look here. If we go back here, we can see maybe why this style is being I think I need to change that right there. So let's go into our CSS file up near the top. I think that's where this is. Navbar. Rather, this should be nav item, and this should be nav bar item. Save, refresh this, and now when we jump over, we do see that style changing. So what we're going to do is change these tabs and make them, we're going to make those relevant to the weapons, apparel, aid. So in here, we just need to find those tabs and change them. Weapons, I'll type it in all caps. And we're going to leave all the IDs the same. And now in the tab content for status, this is going to be our main tab that we're working with. We're going to remove all this. We're also going to add some JavaScript functionality in here. I'll show you guys that after. We're going to save this now, jump back over here and refresh, and there we go. That looks a bit better. So in the next video, what we're going to do is we're actually going to create the left-hand list here, and I'm going to show you guys how we're going to interact with the JavaScript.